Rakesh started business with capital. With capital rupees 1,50,000. $1,50,000. $1,50,000. Second question is deposited money with the bank. Money with the bank. Deposited money with the bank. Rupees 80,000. Three. Purchased goods from Mahesh. Goods from Mahesh. And paid through credit card. And paid through credit card. Paid through credit card, rupees 25,000. Then fourth transaction. 4. Sold goods. Sold goods costing rupees 10,000. Costing rupees 10,000 to Mohan for rupees 40,000. To Mohan for rupees 14,000. Who pays through debit card? Who pays through debit card? Debit card. 5. Commission received by check and deposited the same in the bank. Commission received by check and deposited the same in the bank. The bank, rupees 2,000. 6. Paid office rent. Paid office rent through ACS through ECS rupees 6,000. 6,000. And the last transaction 7. Sold goods to Raman. For rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000, of which rupees 5,000 was received at once. Was received at once. And as we did in the previous problem, we should collect the different assets and liabilities from the transactions, from all these 7 transactions. What are those assets and liabilities? We shall say, Rakesh started business with capital rupees 1,50,000. So, capital is 1,50,000. So, the cash comes into the business and it is called capital. These are the 2 items for the first transaction. The second one, deposited money with the bank. When money is deposited, the money in the business is taken out and it is deposited into the bank. Therefore, from the business, cash goes out and bank will receive it. Therefore, cash bank. Then, third one, purchased goods from Mahesh and paid through credit card. Purchased goods from Mahesh. When goods are purchased, just now I said, whether it is for cash or credit, whatever it is. The goods are coming in, we are receiving the goods. The goods are otherwise called stock. And it is paid through credit card, whatever the bank mode, whatever the type of bank mode, whether it is paid through deposit machine, whether it is paid through credit card, debit card, NEFT or RTGS, whatever it is all going from the bank only. Therefore, the other item is bank. From the bank only the amount is going. Then paid through credit card. Sold goods to Mohan for 14,000. Who pays through debit card? We sell the goods to Mohan. What is the value of the goods? 10,000. But it is sold to Mohan for 14,000. So, what value of goods will go out? 10,000 value of goods will go out. That is, from the stock it will go out. And this money is paid through debit card. Therefore, it will come to our bank account. There is a profit 4,000. 10,000 valued goods is sold away for 14,000 and that 4,000 will be in the capital, profits. Therefore, stock, bank, capital. Then, fifth item, commission received by check and deposited the same in the bank, 2,000. So that amount is deposited. So bank is the receiver. Bank is the receiver, and this is an income. Therefore, it is capital. Since the amount commission received rupees 2000 in the sense cash received, it becomes cash. But that amount is deposited in the bank, therefore bank is the receiver, therefore bank account we should write bank. And it is an income, it is earned by the business, therefore it is capital. Paid office rent through ECS, electronic credit system. Through bank the rent is paid, therefore from the bank the amount will go out and it will automatically reduce the capital. It will reduce the value of capital. The amount is paid through ECS, therefore from the bank it is paid, it will reduce the balance of bank and it will also reduce the capital. Then the last one, sold goods to Raman for 15,000, of which 5,000 was received at once. Sold goods to Raman for rupees 15,000. 15,000 valued goods are sold to Raman. Therefore, the goods will go out, that is minus stock. And for which 5,000 is received, 5,000 cash is received. What about remaining 10,000? Actually, 15,000 valued goods is Raman, but he pays only 5,000. What about the remaining 10,000? It should be written in the name of Raman. So here Raman is a debtor. So Raman, we have sold it. Therefore Raman is a debtor. Sold to Raman 15,000, which 5,000 was received at once, and the remaining 10,000 should be written in the name of sold to Raman, of which 5,000 was received at once. Okay, right. This is the balance amount will be written in the name of debtor. These are all the items we require. And what are the assets? Cash. This capital we will write. Again cash comes, we need not. Bank, we select. Then stock. Bank, stock, bank, they are all repeated. Capital, bank are repeated. And stock, cash, debtor. This is the new item. So, what are the assets? Cash, bank, stock, debtor. On the right hand side only capital, no liability is there. Now we go to the accounting equation. What is the accounting equation? Accounting equation is capital plus liabilities assets equal to capital plus liabilities. What are the assets here? From our selection, cash plus bank plus stock plus debtor. Equal to capital plus liabilities. After listing out like this only, we can find how many assets are coming there, and therefore we should list out the number of assets. Now we answer once again. Ramesh started business with a capital of 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is the cash, and this is otherwise called the capital. 1,50,000. Left hand side 1,50,000, right hand side 1,50,000. The rest of the items are nothing, so 0 we can put for other items. Then go to the second one. Deposited money with the bank rupees 80,000. When you deposit the money, you take the cash from the business and put it in the bank. That is, you are paying it into the bank. So how much? 80,000. So from the business 80,000 goes out and it comes into the bank. That is plus 80,000. Listen carefully. பிஸ்னஸ்லேருந்து 80,000 எடுக்கிறோம், அதனால மைனஸ். இது பேங்க் வந்து ரிசீவ் பண்ணிக்கிறது, பேங்க் பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் இட் இஸ் பிளஸ். தேர்ஃபோர் minus 80,000 plus 80,000 minus plus 0, and therefore right hand side everything will be 0. 0, 0 equal to 0 plus 0. In this also 0 equal to 0. Then third one. Purchased goods from Mahesh and paid through credit card. Purchased goods from Mahesh. When we buy goods, we receive the goods. Receive the goods for rupees 25,000. So stock 25,000. Stock 25,000. We receive the goods. Stock 25,000. And we paid through credit card, whatever the bank mode. Just now I said, whether it is debit card, credit card, net, RTGS, or through machine, it is connected with the bank. Therefore, from the bank it is going out. Therefore, 25,000. It is paid. If it is received plus, it is paid through debit card. Credit card. So it is minus 20,000. Plus 25 minus 25 0. Right hand side also 0. Therefore, accounting equation is okay. 0, 0. Then fourth one. Sold goods costing 10,000 to Mohan for 14,000. 10,000 valued goods are only sold. Therefore, minus 10,000 from the stock. For what value it is sold away, that is immaterial. How much valued goods are taken away from the business? 10,000 valued goods are taken away from the business and sold. Therefore, it will reduce the stock minus 10,000. Therefore, it is minus 10,000. அது என்ன விலைக்கு வித்தாங்கிறது that is different. நம்ம ஸ்டாக்ல காமிக்கும் போது what we must do? What is the actual value of the goods? 10,000 only. Therefore, minus 10,000. Because 10,000 valued goods is sold away. Okay then? And this is how, who pays? This Mohan pays through debit card. He pays through debit card, it comes into our bank. He pays through debit card, that is, it comes to our bank account. Therefore, this is plus 10,000. It comes to our bank account. Pays through debit card means it comes to our bank account. 10,000. So minus 10,000 plus 10,000 0. Left hand side 0, right hand side 0. What all left? Without any number, put 0 there. 0 plus 0. The next item. Commission received by check and deposited the same in the bank rupees 2,000. Commission received by check and deposited the same in the bank. A check is received and it is deposited in the bank for 2,000. Therefore, it shows rupees 2,000 plus in the bank account. A check received for 2,000 and deposited. So it goes to the bank, it will increase the balance, therefore plus 2,000. it is a commission received, it is an income, it will increase the capital also, therefore plus 2000. So right hand side 2000, left hand side 2000, they are equal. For the rest of the places, put 0. This is 0. Then fifth transaction, paid office rent through ECS 6000. 6000 rupees rent is paid through ECS electronic credit system. I said whether it is RTGS, NET, ECS, debit card, credit card, whatever it is, they are all connected with the bank. Therefore, this rent is paid. So this from the bank it goes out. Therefore, 6000. The rent is paid from the bank. It will reduce the bank balance, that is minus 6000. It also will reduce the capital. It will also reduce the capital. Because from the capital only the rent is paid. So left hand side minus 6000, right hand side minus 6000, they are equal. For other items put 0. And the last item, sold goods to Raman for rupees 15,000. Listen carefully. Once some value of goods is sold away to someone, that goods will go out. It will reduce the stock of the goods. Sold goods to Raman for 15,000. 15,000 valued goods are sold away. Therefore, it will move from the business. It is minus away. It will be taken away from the business. Business layer, so the stock will be reduced by 15,000. Right? Very good. For which 5,000 cash was received at once. So 5,000 cash is coming in. 15,000 goods are sold away. So the goods, value of the goods will decrease by 15,000. So minus 15,000. For which 5,000 cash is received. Therefore plus 5,000. And what about the balance 10,000? It will be in the name of Raman. Who is he? One who it is sold away. He is the beneficiary. He has received from us. Therefore, he is a debtor. He is a debtor. Debtor 10,000 rupees. Once again, I repeat it. 15,000 valued goods are sold away to Ram. So, from the stock 15,000 will be reduced because 15,000 goods valued is sent to Ram. On sales 1x, okay, then minus 15,000. For that, what Raman did, he has paid only 5,000. So, we receive the cash 5,000, we put it. What about the remaining 10,000? It should be entered, it will be recorded in the name of Raman. Here, who is Raman? Raman is a debtor. So, that 10,000 is the debtor. So, 10 plus 5, 15,000 minus 15,000, 0. Left hand side 0, right hand side is also 0. For the rest of the item, we put 0. Now we have answered. The next work is we should add and write. Find the total. For the first one, we should write as it is 1,50,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, 1,50,000 0. Now we have two numbers. 1,50,000 minus 80,000, 70,000. 0 plus 80,000, 80,000. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 1,50,000 plus 0, 1,50,000 plus 0. Once again, you add 70,000 plus 0, 70,000. 80 minus 25, 45, 55. 55,000. 0 plus 25, 25 plus 0 equal to 1,50,000 plus 0. $70,000. 55 plus 10,000, 65,000. 25 minus 10,000 plus 15,000. 0 plus 0, 0. 1,50,000 plus 0, 1,50,000 plus 0. Once again you add it. Next to 2. 70,000 plus 67,000 plus 15,000 plus 0 equal to 1,50,000 plus 2,000, 1,52,000 plus 0. Again, the next total. 70,000, 67 minus 6 plus 61, 15,000 plus 0 equal to 1,52,000 minus 6,000, 1,46,000 plus 0. Now we can add and write 70 plus 5, 75,000. 61 plus 0, 61,000. 15 minus 15, 0. Plus 10,000 equal to 1,46,000 plus 0. 76, 136, 146. 1,46,000 equal to 1,46,000. So this is a model. There are two more sums, and why not you do the seventh one as assignment. Seventh one you do seventh one as assignment. Seventh one and illustrations 1 to 6. Illustration 1 to 6 and problem number 7. Assignment illustration 1 to 6 and exercise 7. This is the assignment today. You will have to submit this assignment soon. Okay, thank you.